Hey everyone, it's me. Today we're tackling the small living room and unlocking its hidden potential. You don't need a renovation or a bigger place. Just a few smart layout tricks can totally transform your space. Ready to make your living room feel open, functional, and beautiful? Let's dive in. Here's a game changer. Stop pushing your furniture against the walls. Float your sofa and chairs a few inches away from the walls to create the illusion of more space. Anchor your arrangement with a large area rug. This defines your seating zone and makes the room feel intentional. Floating furniture creates clear pathways and makes your space feel open and inviting. Try it. You'll be amazed at the difference. When you can't build out, build up. Use tall, narrow shelves and vertical storage to draw the eye upward. Lean a tall mirror against the wall to reflect light and add height. Hang art in vertical arrangements and swap floor lamps for wall sconces or pendant lights. These tricks make your room feel taller, brighter, and way more spacious. Use your walls to their full potential. In a small living room, every piece must multitask. Choose ottomans with storage, coffee tables with lift tops or drawers, and furniture with exposed legs to keep things light. Multifunctional pieces maximize utility and minimize clutter. Exposed legs let light flow, making the room feel airier. Think smart, hidden, and leggy for every item you bring in. Your furniture should work as hard as you do. Traffic flow is everything your living room should be easy to move through. Leave at least 24 inches for main walkways and avoid creating dead ends. Walk through your layout to test it if you're bumping into things. Adjust. Sometimes, less furniture means more space and serenity. Clear paths make your room feel bigger and more inviting. Light colors reflect dark colors, absorb so go light and bright. Use soft neutrals or pale hues on walls and large furniture to open up the space. Add a large mirror opposite a window to bounce light and double the room visually. Glass, metallic, and reflective surfaces amplify brightness and keep things airy. Let light be your secret weapon for a spacious feel. Don't fill your room with tiny furniture. Choose a few larger, well-scaled pieces. A sleek sectional or a substantial sofa can anchor the room and reduce visual clutter. Go for clean lines and raised legs to keep things open. Measure carefully and use painter's tape to plan your layout before buying. The right scale makes your space feel curated, not crowded. Rugs are essential for defining zones and anchoring your design. Go big. Your rug should connect all main furniture pieces, not just float in the middle. A large rug unifies the space and makes it feel intentional. Use rugs to add color, pattern, or texture for personality. The right rug pulls your whole room together. Free up floor space by mounting your TV lights and even side tables. Wall-mounted TVs and sconces create a sleek, modern look and reclaim valuable space. Floating shelves or slim consoles keep things functional without cluttering the floor. Mounting opens up room for plants, baskets, or just more open space. Ask yourself, can I mount that? You'll be surprised how much you can elevate. The less on the floor, the bigger your room feels. That's a wrap. With these layout tips, your small living room can feel cozy, stylish, and spacious. Be clever, creative, and intentional. Your home should reflect you no matter the size. If you found these tips helpful, like, comment, and subscribe for more smart decor ideas. Let me know which tip you're excited to try. Thanks for watching and see you next time.